Module 6, Reporting and Analysis. Oracle Reporting Tools. Oracle ERP provides various reporting tools that organizations can use to generate meaningful insights from their data and make informed business decisions. Some of the key Oracle reporting tools are: 1. Oracle Business Intelligence, BI, Publisher. Oracle BI Publisher is a powerful reporting tool that allows organizations to create, manage, and deliver a wide range of reports and documents. It provides a rich set of features for creating pixel-perfect reports, ad hoc reports, interactive dashboards, and other business documents. Oracle BI Publisher supports multiple data sources, including Oracle ERP, and allows organizations to customize report layouts, data sources, and data formats according to their specific requirements. Reports can be generated in various formats, such as PDF, Excel, Word, and HTML, and can be scheduled for automated delivery to users or published to a report repository for easy access. 2. Oracle Financial Reporting, FR. Oracle FR is a financial reporting tool that is specifically designed for financial reporting and analysis. It provides pre-built financial reporting templates and a flexible report designer that allows organizations to create custom financial reports based on their specific accounting needs. Oracle FR supports multiple data sources, including Oracle ERP, and provides features for generating financial statements, such as income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and other financial reports. It also supports financial consolidation and provides advanced features for financial analysis, such as variance analysis, ratio analysis, and trend analysis. 3. Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, OTBI. OTBI is a real-time reporting tool that is embedded within Oracle ERP and provides ad hoc reporting capabilities. It allows users to create interactive reports, dashboards, and analyses directly from the ERP system without the need for external reporting tools. OTBI provides a wide range of pre-built data models, visualizations, and analytics for various modules of Oracle ERP, including General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, Inventory Management, Order Management, and others. Users can create custom reports, dashboards, and visualizations based on their specific requirements and can drill down into transactional details for detailed analysis. These are some of the key reporting tools available in Oracle ERP that organizations can utilize to generate meaningful insights, gain actionable intelligence, and make informed business decisions. The choice of reporting tools to use depends on the specific requirements and preferences of the organization and its users. Creating financial statements. Creating financial statements in Oracle ERP involves several steps, which may vary depending on the specific module being used, such as General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, etc. Here is a general overview of the process. 1. Define chart of accounts. Before creating financial statements, it is essential to define the chart of accounts, which is the structure that defines how financial transactions are categorized and recorded in the ERP system. The chart of accounts typically includes various accounts, such as revenue accounts, expense accounts, asset accounts, liability accounts, and equity accounts, which are used to record financial transactions. 2. Record financial transactions. Once the chart of accounts is defined, financial transactions need to be recorded in the ERP system. This is done by entering transactions such as sales, purchases, payments, receipts, and other financial activities into the appropriate modules of Oracle ERP, such as General Ledger, Accounts Payable, and Accounts Receivable. 3. Post journal entries. After financial transactions are recorded, journal entries need to be posted to the General Ledger module. Journal entries are used to summarize and consolidate financial transactions into the appropriate accounts in the chart of accounts. Journal entries typically include debits and credits to various accounts, and the amounts are recorded in the General Ledger. 4. Run financial reports. Once journal entries are posted, financial reports can be generated from the General Ledger module in Oracle ERP. These reports may include financial statements such as income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and other financial reports. These reports provide a summary of the financial transactions and account balances recorded in the ERP system for a specific period. 5. Customized financial statements. Oracle ERP typically provides pre-built financial statements templates that organizations can use as a starting point. These templates can be customized to suit the specific requirements of the organization. Customization may involve modifying the layout, formatting, and content of the financial statements to meet the organization's reporting needs. Customization can be done using Oracle's reporting tools, such as Oracle Business Intelligence, BI, Publisher, Oracle Financial Reporting, FR, Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, OTBI, Oracle SmartView, or Oracle Analytics Cloud, OAC, depending on the tools available and the organization's preferences. It's important to note that the process of creating financial statements in Oracle ERP may vary depending on the specific modules being used and the organization's reporting requirements. It's recommended to follow the organization's internal processes, accounting policies, and reporting guidelines to ensure accurate and compliant financial statements are created in Oracle ERP. Data analysis and visualization. Oracle ERP provides various tools and features for data analysis and visualization to help organizations gain insights from their financial and operational data. Here are some key functionalities that Oracle ERP offers for data analysis and visualization. 1. Oracle Business Intelligence, BI. Oracle BI is a comprehensive suite of tools and applications for data analysis and visualization. It provides a wide range of capabilities, including ad hoc querying, interactive dashboards, data visualization, and reporting. Users can create custom reports and dashboards to analyze data from various Oracle ERP modules, such as General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, and others. Oracle BI also offers advanced analytics features, such as predictive analytics and machine learning, to uncover patterns, trends, and insights from the data. 2. Oracle SmartView. Oracle SmartView is an Excel-based tool that allows users to access and analyze data from Oracle ERP directly within Microsoft Excel. Users can create dynamic reports, perform ad hoc analysis, and visualize data using familiar Excel features such as pivot tables, charts, and formulas. Oracle SmartView provides a seamless integration between Oracle ERP and Excel, enabling users to leverage their Excel skills for data analysis and visualization. 3. Oracle Financial Reporting, FR. Oracle FR is a reporting tool that provides financial and management reporting capabilities. It allows users to create standardized financial reports, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, with customizable templates and layouts. Oracle FR supports various formatting options, including charts, graphs, and tables, to visually represent financial data in reports. 4. Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence, OTBI. OTBI is a self-service reporting and analytics tool that provides real-time insights into operational data from Oracle ERP. It offers a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality to create custom reports and dashboards. OTBI supports data visualization, including charts, graphs, and pivot tables, to analyze data from different Oracle ERP modules. Data analysis and visualization in Oracle ERP can help organizations gain insights into their financial and operational data, identify trends, patterns, and anomalies, make informed decisions, and drive business performance. It is important to ensure data accuracy and integrity, follow organizational reporting guidelines, and comply with data security and privacy policies when performing data analysis and visualization in Oracle ERP. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.